Hello, my tiny toddlers. Happy morning to all. So, today we are going to revise phonic rhyme that is from A to Z. You should also sing along with me. Okay, children? Yes. Ants on an apple. A, a, a. A is the sound of A. Balls are bouncing. Ba, ba, ba. Ba is the sound of B. Caterpillars coughing. Ka, ka, ka. Ka is the sound of C. Dolls are dancing. Da, da, da. Da is the sound of D. Elegant elephant. E, e, e. E is the sound of E. Fly flamingos. F, f, is the sound of F. Girls are giggling. G, g, g. G is the sound of G. Helicopters hovering. H, is the sound of H. Ink in the ink pot. E, e, e. E is the sound of I. Jelly beans jumping. J, j, j. J is the sound of J. King kicks the kettle. K, k, k. K is the sound of K. Lion licking lollipop. L, l, l. L is the sound of L. Monkeys munching. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm is the sound of Yum. Nuts in the nutshell. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm is the sound of N. Old orange octopus. Ah, ah, ah. Ah is the sound of O. Popcorns popping. Pa, pa, pa. Pa is the sound of P. Queen sitting quietly. Qua, qua, qua. Qua is the sound of Q. Rats are running. R, r, r. R is the sound of R. Snakes are hissing. S, 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 s is the sound of yes. Tigers on tiptoes. Ta, ta, ta. Ta is the sound of T. Up, up, umbrella. A is the sound of U. Vans are roving. Wa, wa, wa is the sound of V. Wibbly wobbly walrus. Wa, 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 wa is the sound of W. Fox in the box. Is the sound of X. Yaks are yawning. Ya, ya, ya. Ya is the sound of Y. Zigzag zebra. Z, 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 z is the sound of Z. Did you enjoy the rhyme, children? I hope all of you have learned this phonic rhyme. Yes, children? Okay. Take care, children. Thank you. Bye bye.